Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Blazer. This Blazer is featured in a gray paint finish and is the LT trim. It includes features such as our all-wheel drive, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a heated front seat retrofit, as well as wireless Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Into the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle. Our door locks and unlocks. Below on the door panel itself, we have all of the controls for our powered outside mirrors, our window locks, as well as our powered window controls. The bottom of the door has some extra storage. Up and to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of the controls for our lighting, and just below it is where our park brake is. Moving to the middle, we can see our information system, or our display cluster. We have a digital information system in the middle. You can see it's a speedometer, a trip average, as well as our fuel information, our oil life, our tire pressures, air filter life, fuel economy, and a timer and battery voltage. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel is all of our cruise settings, and on the top right side of it is our forward collision alert. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel is all of the buttons for our hands-free, as well as the switch to adjust our display cluster information. Up and to the right, we have our push-to-start engine button, as well as our auto stop-start engine and hazard lights. Then we have our infotainment system with our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, AM/FM audio, as well as Bluetooth audio. If we scroll to the right, we can see our backup camera. You can see we have our adaptive guidelines, as well as our hitch guidelines. And we can hit the home button below to get back to our main screen. So below, as just mentioned, we have some additional buttons, including our volume controls in the middle. Then just to the right of it is our glove box open button and traction controls. Then below, we have our front dual zone climate control. We can see the buttons for where our heated seats will be with the retrofit. We also have our temperature, as well as our controls across, and our passenger heated seat retrofit. To adjust the temperature, we can scroll our wheels, and we can see the temperature settings up at the top on our infotainment screen. Then between the two, we have a USB-C and USB, which we can also use for Apple CarPlay, and below some storage that we can put our devices in. Then we have our shifter, two cup holders, as well as our lane keep assist and drive select. We can see right now we are in our two-wheel drive. We also have four-wheel drive, sport mode, off-road, and a trailer tow. Then we have a little bit of extra storage before our center console. You can see this is where I'm currently keeping the key. So our key fob, we have our unlocks, our locks, remote start button, as well as our alarm button. Then moving to the center console itself, we can see it's in a black leather finish. To open it up, we just push on the front. Inside of it, we have some deep storage and a 12-volt plug. Moving to the passenger seating, as well as the rest of the seating, is finished in a jet black cloth finish. And as mentioned, we have a retrofit for the heated front seats of the vehicle. Moving up above the rearview mirror is our OnStar buttons, rear passenger check reminder, our lighting controls, and lastly, a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our rims and tires, we have an all-season tire with a aluminum rim and a Chevrolet bowtie center cap. Moving up to the mirrors, we have a paint match finish in the matching gray. The door handles also are in the matching gray finish and are keyless entries. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our Chevrolet badging, as well as our Blazer all-wheel drive badging. Opening the rear through the button at the bottom, can pull up, we can see our backup camera just above our license plate. In the back of the vehicle, we can see we have plenty of storage space. The second row seating fold in a 60/40 folding split. And we also have some additional buttons down the side, as well as power plugs and storage. Now into the rear of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, a window control, and some storage in the rest of the door. Moving into the compartment itself, we can see that we have storage compartments in the back of the driver's seat. We also have one in the back of the passenger seat. Between the two seats, we have our two vents, a USB-C and a USB, as well as some storage in the bottom. Moving to the seats themselves, we can see that they are finished in a jet black cloth finish. In the center seat, we have a foldable 2 cup holders. We can see we can fold that up to make a third seat. And these seats in the back are a 60-40 folding split to make additional space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.